about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be making a snood that can be worn as a balaclava for the sizes 12 to 18 months, as well as for the sizes 2 to 4 years, so therefore toddlers children. Today's tutorial will follow sizes 2 to 4 years, while I would list the instruction for sizes for the size 12 to 18 months. So the materials I'm using today is a 8mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and measuring tape. This is the yarn that I'll be using today. It's you can pause to see the details. So to begin, we begin by making a slip knot. Then we'll be chaining 38 or 34 chains if you're doing the smaller size, 38 for the larger size. So continue making your chains, and I'll meet you at the end of the 38 chains. Have the required amount of chains. We'll join both ends together using a slip stitch. Ensure that it's on everything is on the right side. Ensure that there's no twist. You insert it into that first chain, pull through, then we chain 2, and the chain 2 does not count as a stitch. And into that same space here, we place a half double crochet. And you place a half double crochet into each stitch around for this round. So keep doing so, and I will meet you at the end of this round for further instructions. Okay, so now we're done with our half double crochets. We close out this round with a slip stitch on top of that first half double crochet there. Now we'll chain 1 into that same space there. You're gonna put a single crochet, then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches, so for a total of 4 single crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in the next 4 stitches, half double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 half double crochets. And in the next 18 for the smaller size, and if you're following this tutorial for the larger size, 22 stitches. So in the next 22 stitches, or 18, we're going to place half double crochets into those stitches. So 22 double crochets, or 18 double crochets for the smaller size. Keep doing so. Meet you at the 18th or 22nd stitch. Okay, so now that you're done with that 22 or 18 double crochets. We're gonna place half double crochets into the next 4 stitches. So 2, 3, 4. Then oh, it seems as if I made an additional one here. So in the next 4 stitches, it's gonna be single crochets. Three, and because I have more than one, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I have an additional one here, I'm just going to join it, decrease. So that's 4 single crochets. And then you slip stitch to close off this second round. And so for this third round now, it's 4 single crochets. Then 4 half double crochets. Then after you've done the 4 half double crochets, you'll do the 22 or 18 double crochets, and then finish off the round with 4 half double crochets and 4 single crochets. You keep repeating this until you have about 13 inches for the larger size or 11 inches for the smaller size. Conversion, if you're using centimeters, it's 28 centimeters, 33 centimeters. So keep repeating this, starting the round with 4 single crochets, 4 half double crochets, then 18 or 22 double crochets. Finish the round with 4 half double crochets, then 4 single crochets, and keep repeating that for the 11 or 13 inches, and I meet you there. All right, so here is my completed one. So what I do, this is how it looks from the side. This is how it looks from the side, so you can see the curve. How I measure is from this point to this point here. So I measure with the long side. All right, so now you just chain 1 and fasten off. So now we're going to weave in the tail end. Now we're on to making the ears. So we start by making a magic circle. So we're going to chain 1 and we're going to place 8 half double crochets into the ring. Okay, so that's 1. The chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. So for round 2, we slip stitch into the top of that first half double crochet. Then we place 2 half double crochets into that same space. So we'll be increasing by 2 for this second and final round of the ear. But instead of having a total of 8 half double crochets, we'll only have 14, as we won't place an increase in the last stitch. So keep doing so, and I meet you at the end where you should have a total of 14 half double crochets. So this is how it should look, like this. Once you're done with the 14, make a slip stitch, and you make a tail long enough to attach the ears to the balaclava suit to the project. Alright, so make 2 of them. Once you're done making the second one, I'll meet you back here. Here we have both ears. So you'll decide which part is the top or bottom for you, and from there you can decide where to put the ears. You can estimate it. If you have the baby's head around, you can put it on them. The child's head around, you can put it on their head and see where best to put the ears. Usually I'd suggest maybe anywhere between the 4th and 2nd round here, and wherever you decide there, about 7 stitches between both ears. That's just a suggestion, not a mandate. Now for the ears, you can attach them like so, or you can sew them together and then attach them. So attach your ears, and that's it. Okay, so this is how it looks. I don't have a toddler's head, so it's my mannequin. It may be a bit bigger than a toddler's head or close enough, but it's smaller than a human's head. So this is how it looks. So if you want it longer, you can continue doing the rounds. You can go more than the 13 inches. This is how it looks on the head. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope your finished product comes out as desirable as possible. And yeah, till next time, bye.